Dimensioning. First thing you should do is set up a dimension layer. I'm going to call mine dim, and I'm going to set it up as a red layer. So that's my dimensioning layer. That's where all my values for dimensioning will appear. You should also have the dimensioning toolbar up. So I'm just going to place the cursor on the toolbar, right click, and dimension is the very first one, and I'm going to select it, and the dimensioning toolbar shows up. The next thing I'm going to do is check to see how large my text is. So I'm going to go draw, text, single line text, and right here at the bottom I can see that my text height is 5. And that will help me set up my dimensioning values. So I'm just going to escape out of that. I'm going to go into the setup. So the magnifying glass on my dimensioning toolbar over here, I'll select that. I'll select modify. And my arrow size, I'm going to make it 1 less than my text height, 4. Extend beyond dim lines, that's this section here. I'm going to set that to 3. Offset from dim line, that's this space here. I'm going to leave that at 2. Text height, I'm going to set that at 4. Fit, it's good. Primary units, I'm going to set the precision to 1 decimal place. And if you had to set decimal degrees, I'll set that at 1 decimal place also. And that's about all we should have to set. So I'll select OK and close. There I have my setup done for my dimensioning, and I'm just going to check it. And the dimensioning looks pretty good.